This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Kynnoh da kaseng sanhima Voice of the People Party VPP kabadon hakaliang persya kayeng dorbar tauan kejela baka Sorkar jela kala subaiting ka bun teligi projek klam Jingpyntrei so kala penlang yo ba Prestone tensong usembut menteri rangba ubadai kmi ketanat kampo yeng ke Sorkar jela ban betha ye kitegi bakno bakin penlang da ka Tohkit. Habakran sigilat patai kubor haka arpulai tarik urjin liu araja arpusan ubak Prestone tensong ulapen pau baka Sorkar jela kampen serwaka ya kapisa barhaman lagi Jingpyntrei ke Sorkar ki don ru ka Jingmi. Ulong bagi nongken thok kimde ban sukran na ka basyong ha office ne ka jaka bagi don. Henry ki don ya ka kamram ban penlong ki Tohkit ke Bniah halor ki Jingpyntrei ke Sorkar ya ki project baper.
The opposition VPP has criticized the government, saying that the government is announcing schemes but spending crores without positive impact on the fields. What is it? The VPP has criticized the government, saying that the government has spent crores of rupees without positive impact on the fields. What is your take on that?
I don't know what are they trying to say that without the positive impact. What does it mean? Because see, every sectors where we invested, I'm telling you, the impact is there. So I would request this political party, let them, I think they are also responsible to find out. Don't say that only the report from the government side. They can go to the ground, find out whether, whatever investment claim invested by the government, whether the outcome is there or not, whether is it positive or negative. I think it is their duty to do that. Let them go. Don't just sit in the office and don't just criticize blindly like that. You better go yourself and then see on the ground. The moment you see on the ground, then you can say no, it's nothing is there. But the government has claimed thought, So therefore, I would request the political party, any political party, if you are not relevant, go to the ground. You will find the reality. Because right now, as I said to you, people in every sector that we have invested all these years, I think we were seeing the positive outcome out of it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi the office jong Commissionariat of Food Safety Shillong Meghalaya